The different patterns and regularities found in nature. Patterns in nature are visible regularities of form in the world. These patterns recur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. But what are the different nature patterns? Natural patterns include symmetries, fractals, tessellations, spiral, foam, stripes, crop. But we will mainly focus on these three: symmetries, fractals, tessellations. Have you seen face, a butterfly, and a starfish? I know you've seen all those, but what are their patterns called? Their patterns are called symmetries. Sound interesting, right? Symmetries are when different sides of something are alike. Next would be fractal patterns found in nature. A fractal is a detailed pattern that looks similar at scale and repeats itself over time. Here are a few examples of fractals in nature: crack of ice, fern, lightning bolts. Have you heard of tessellation? Tessellation are patterns that are formed by repeated cubes or tiles. Have you seen this before? Yes, it's a snake, a tessellation found in nature. These are some examples of tessellation found in nature: sunflower, beacon, and pineapple. These are other patterns of nature: spiral, crack, foam from soap, and stripes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Credits by Proton, Google, from text to speech.com.